Must know. 25 Fun fact about space. Space is actually silent, in contrast to science fiction films where space conflicts are accompanied by loud explosions. This is so because sound cannot travel over a medium like air. Space is a vacuum without any such medium. The Sun's core, which reaches temperatures of roughly 15 million degrees Celsius, 27 million degrees Fahrenheit, is where the energy is generated. Huge amounts of energy are released when hydrogen atoms collide and fuse into helium at this temperature. Space regions known as black holes are places where gravity is so intense that nothing can escape from them, not even light. They originate from the collapse of huge stars at the end of their life cycle due to gravity. The speed of light is approximately 299,792 kilometers per second, or 186,282 miles per second. This indicates that it takes roughly 8 minutes and 20 seconds for light from the Sun to reach Earth. Over 500,000 pieces of junk, including abandoned satellites, expended rocket stages, and collision debris, are hurtling through Earth's orbit at a fast speed. Satellites and spacecraft that are in operation are at risk from this space debris. The enormous storm known as Jupiter's Great Red Spot has been raging for at least 400 years. It's so big that 3 Earths might easily fit inside its bounds. Like Earth, Mars possesses polar ice caps composed of water ice. On the Red Planet, evidence of enormous subterranean water ice reserves has also been found by scientists. The biggest volcano in the solar system is Olympus Mons, located on Mars. At 13.6 miles, 22 kilometers, above sea level, it is almost 3 times the height of Mount Everest, the highest mountain on Earth. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 is the furthest object created by humans from Earth. It is currently billions of kilometers away from Earth in interstellar space, having left the confines of our solar system. The speed of an object and the strength of the gravitational field it is in determine how time passes, according to Einstein's theory of relativity. This implies that for objects moving quickly or in areas with strong gravitational fields, as those close to black holes, time may move more slowly. The Moon's orbit around Earth and the way sunlight strikes its surface cause its phases to fluctuate. Different parts of the Moon are lighted by the Sun as viewed from Earth, resulting in phases such as crescent, gibbous, and full moon. The Kuiper Belt, a region of the solar system full of frozen bodies that includes dwarf planets like Pluto, is located beyond Neptune's orbit. It is thought to be a relic from the development of the early solar system. A continuous stream of charged particles known as solar wind is released by the Sun auroras, or the northern and southern lights, are a result of this wind's interaction with the magnetic fields of planets, including Earth. ISS is an artificial satellite orbiting Earth that is capable of human habitation. It functions as a laboratory for scientific research on space environments, including astrobiology, astronomy, meteorology, and other subjects. Since its launch in 1990, the Hubble Space Telescope has given scientists and people access to some of the most precise pictures of stars, nebulae, and distant galaxies. It has completely changed the way we think about the cosmos. Planets that orbit stars outside of our solar system are known as exoplanets. There are many that have been found, and they differ greatly in size and makeup. Some can even have circumstances that are fit for life. A probabilistic calculation known as the Drake equation is used to calculate the approximate number of extant, communicative extraterrestrial civilizations in the Milky Way galaxy. It considers things like how quickly stars originate and how likely it is that planets may support life. Roughly 27% of the mass energy content of the cosmos is made up of the enigmatic material known as dark matter. Since it is invisible and only discernible by its gravitational effects on visible stuff, it cannot emit, absorb, or reflect light. Faint microwave radiation permeates the universe and is known as the cosmic microwave background, CMB. It offers vital information about the makeup, evolution, and structure of the early universe. The Fermi paradox, named for physicist Enrico Fermi, draws attention to the seeming discrepancy between the likelihood that extraterrestrial civilizations exist and the paucity of evidence or communication with them. This contradiction is attempted to be explained by a number of theories, from the rarity of intelligent life to technological constraints. The extremely dense remains of huge stars that have experienced supernova explosions are known as neutron stars. On Earth, a teaspoon of material from a neutron star would weigh billions of tons. The pillars of creation are enormous columns of gas and dust in the Eagle Nebula where new stars are developing. The Hubble Space Telescope produced the famous picture, which beautifully illustrates the splendor of cosmic nurseries. Situated approximately 1.6 light-years from the Sun and far beyond the Kuiper Belt, the Oort cloud is a hypothetical spherical shell of frozen particles. It is believed to be the source of comets with extended periods. The most powerful explosions in the universe, gamma-ray bursts release as much energy in a matter of seconds as the Sun will in a lifetime. They are believed to happen when neutron stars merge or when huge stars crash. The gravitational attraction of the Moon and Sun causes ocean tides on Earth, which is known as tidal forces. They have the ability to stretch celestial bodies, as demonstrated by the tidal heating of moons circling Jupiter like Io.